On today's menu, a delicious recipe so easy to make you won't be able to keep calm and curry on. A simple lentil curry. Lei Homa, that's as it going in Cantonese. I'm Yeung from youngmancooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This recipe is incredibly delicious, really easy to make, and will definitely make it to your weekly menu. A big thank you to today's episode sponsor, Shopify, which we'll mention in a little bit. But first, as always, let's get started with the recipe. 1 cup basmati rice. Rinse and drain the rice 2 to 3 times to get rid of the excess starch. One cup water. Medium-high heat. When the water begins to bubble, give the rice a good stir and turn the heat down to medium-low. Cover and cook for 15 minutes. One onion, finely chopped. These here are long green chilies. They're not super spicy, and you can definitely keep the seeds in or de-seed them. It's completely up to you. Finely chop 2 long green chili peppers. You can always de-seed the peppers for less heat. Two pieces of garlic, finely chopped. Two tomatoes, diced. These here are amazing red lentils, one of my favorite ingredients because there's no need to soak them. Just gotta rinse it a couple times, drain it, and you're good to go. Rinse and drain 1 cup of red lentils and set it aside. Saute pan, medium heat. One teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, 4 cardamom pods. Toast the spices for about 3 minutes. Coarsely crush the spices using a pestle and mortar. Not gonna lie, smells like heaven on earth. It's up to you to remove or keep the cardamom shells. By the way, if you enjoy easy and delicious recipes, then definitely check out or pick up a copy of one of the Yeung Man Cooking cookbooks over at the Yeung Man Cooking shop, which is why it's so exciting that Shopify is today's episode sponsor. Shopify is an easy-to-use all-in-one commerce platform for anyone, regardless of technical ability and experience, to start to grow and manage a business. Unlike online marketplaces, you can build your very own unique storefront with Shopify to sell online in person and on all major social platforms. We've been using Shopify's platform for the Young Man Cooking online store for quite some time now, and what started as a small space to sell a single cookbook grew into a shop now offering 3 cookbooks, Young Man Cooking merch, and even a plant-based sushi masterclass. The reason I chose Shopify in the first place was because of their robust e-commerce platform with seamless product integrations, visually beautiful, modern-looking storefronts, all within a user-friendly interface. There's also a Shopify Experts offering so that you can have more advanced tweaks made on your site, which leaves me with a lot more time cooking and filming than to figure out how to code. Shopify has an abundant amount of valuable videos and resources to help entrepreneurs start their e-commerce journey. For more information about starting an online shop with Shopify, I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check it out. Saute pan back on medium heat. 2 tablespoons olive oil. Onions. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Garlic and chili peppers. Saute for about 2 minutes. Toasted spices, half teaspoon turmeric, 2 teaspoons garam masala, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sweet paprika. Saute for about a minute. Tomatoes. Saute for 3 to 4 minutes. Use the juices from the tomatoes to deglaze the pan. Red lentils. .400 ml can coconut milk. One cup water. Give the pan a good stir and bring to a boil. Turn the heat to medium and give the pan a good stir. Cover the pan and let it simmer for 8 to 10 minutes. Let the rice steam covered for another 10 minutes. Check on the curry every once in a while and give it a good stir to ensure it won't stick to the bottom. Plate the rice. Generously plate the curry. Serve with some freshly chopped cilantro. You can now enjoy this delicious meal with absolute confidence. That looks amazing, and that's going to taste incredible. There is one reason why I love these kind of recipes, is because every bite you get this explosion of all different kinds of flavors. Visually, this is one of those really rustic, casual looking dishes. It's got this beautiful golden glow to it. And like I said, every spoonful you get just an explosion of so many different types of flavors. Of course, there's all those amazing spices that just melt into that paste. You have that garam masala, the sweet paprika, the cumin and the coriander seeds just kind of melt into this. And the cardamom seeds just add to this really beautiful kind of fragrant bite. The tomatoes adds this kind of a little bit of acidity as well as this delicious sweetness. It's just so delightfully savory with the garlic, the onions, and the red lentils just blends into everything and really substantiates that curry. And of course, when you enjoy the curry with that fluffy, freshly steamed rice, it kind of balances out that heat. There's a little bit of that fruitiness from the coconut milk as well that just kind of melts into everything and makes friends in there. It's crazy how something so aromatic, so hearty can be incredibly easy to make and put together. This is definitely one of those recipes that will fall onto that weekly menu. This episode is a bit of a companion video to one of the new recipes found in a brand new third cookbook simply titled Yeung Cooking. For more information about the book, take a sneak peek inside or to order your copy of this book or the other two cookbooks. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you to check out all these things. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss a single episode.